If you're trying to make money with ChatGPT but don't know where to start, freelancing is one of the fastest ways to get paid. You don't need years of experience. You just need to know how to position yourself and use AI the right way. Freelancing simply means offering a service online in exchange for payment. Businesses are constantly looking for help with writing, emails, social media, and website content. This is where ChatGPT gives you an advantage. Start by choosing one service. Keep it simple. You can offer blog writing, email writing, social media captions, or product descriptions. Don't try to do everything. Pick one and focus. Next, use ChatGPT to help you create samples. For example, ask it to write a blog post or a set of captions. Then edit and personalize it so it sounds natural. These samples become your portfolio. Now, go to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and create a profile. Your goal is to clearly explain what you offer and who it's for. Instead of saying, "I write content," say, "I help small businesses create engaging social media posts that attract customers." When you get your first client, use ChatGPT to speed up your workflow. Generate drafts, refine them, and deliver quality work quickly. The faster you work, the more clients you can take on. Start small, build reviews, and increase your prices over time. This is how freelancing turns into consistent income.